to our forever holiday. For those of you that don't know us, I'm Lisa and this is Mike.
We spent 3 months in the Maritime provinces of Canada this summer.
We saw many beautiful waterfalls in these provinces.
The video details the 11 waterfalls we saw. Enjoy! Our first waterfall is along the Cabot Trail in northern Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia. The name of it is Bulak Bon Falls. Bulak Bon is Gaelic for White Gorge. The trail is an easy 1/8 mile out and back.
Along the Cabot Trail on Cape Breton Island, we visited Devil's Hill Falls. The trail is 1.4 miles out and back, rated easy, with ropes near the base of the falls to assist you.
Next, we moved to Fundy National Park, near Alma in the province of New Brunswick. Dixon Falls is a small waterfall at just 26 feet. The trail to the base is an easy 1 mile leap.
Chaudière Falls is near Quebec City, Quebec, in a town called Levis, in a municipal park that is free of charge. It offers walking and hiking to the beautiful falls. So we started way up there, and then we took a bunch of steps to go way down here in order to get this area that we walked on towards the falls. And then we came up a bunch of steps to get to this bridge.
The tallest waterfall we visited was Montmorency Falls, near Quebec City in the province of Quebec. Its height is 272 feet, a full 99 feet taller than Niagara Falls. To get to the base, there's 487 stair steps from the parking area, with a number of lookout platforms along the way.
This is Montmorency Falls. Again, we're on the suspension bridge over the falls. Look how high up we are. Ooh, this is really scary. Dang, look at that. All those steps were the steps we walked up. Can you see them going all the way up? See the waterfall below me? Look at that. Is that not amazing? This is so epic. Canyon St. Anne Falls, St. Anne, Quebec, near Quebec City, Quebec. The height of the waterfall is 243 feet, the width is 70 feet, and it's taller than Niagara Falls. The cost is $14 Canadian entrance fee to the park, and it is a 1 mile loop on paved trails with 3 suspension bridge crossings. There's a 1-minute Air Canyon ride that's similar to a zip line that you can pay an extra $11 Canadian for. It's a wonderful park with beautiful, beautiful scenery.
Grand Falls. Unfortunately, in the fall, the water levels are quite low. You'll notice the zipliners crossing the falls.
Yep.
Rideau River Falls, Ottawa, Ontario. Flows into the Ottawa River. Height is 36 feet. This is the view from the Ottawa River cruise.
Egypt Falls is a two-tiered, multiple side-by-side waterfall. It is on Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia. The trail is 1.1 miles out and back, and the last part of the trail, getting down to the falls, is difficult. Lead ropes are provided.
Gillis Lake Falls on Cape Breton Island near Sydney, Nova Scotia. It's a 6/10 of a mile out and back trail with some ropes provided for climbing down to the falls.
Indian Falls is a small waterfall. It is accessed by a short but somewhat difficult hike to the base. It is in Nova Scotia, near Lunenburg. Please give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and ring the little bell so you can be notified of our next video release. I'm sure you're going to ask, which ones were our favorite? Both of us would agree that Montmorency Falls takes the first place. In second place was St. Anne Falls.
Honorable mention was Chartier Falls. We have a separate video on Niagara Falls that you can watch as well. We hope you enjoyed our video, and until next time, we are Our Forever Holiday, and thank you for watching. Safe travels.